Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I have a little bit of a different video for you guys today. So if you've been subscribed to me, you would know that I love the dot&key green clay mask. It also made it to my top 10 face masks list and I anyway love masking. Now the green clay mask is very cooling for summers and I have talked about this on my channel. So dot&key reached out and they asked me if I'd like to try some of their other face masks and I was happy to do so. So they sent this absolutely stunning basket which not just has 4 of their clay masks but also have a lot of other goodies, and I haven't opened this like you can see. I wanted to unbox this with you guys and do something a little bit different. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to be showing you the textures also applied on my face. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into this video. I'm going to dive in straight away and show you the clay masks first. The first one that I have here is the Glow Reviving Vitamin C Pink Clay Mask. That's the outer packaging. I must say I love the packaging that dot&key has to give. It's so different and stunning, and you also get a spatula with this, with all the masks in fact. I absolutely adore their packaging, coming from an Indian brand, and the look is so very international. I'm quickly going to read what the clay mask has to claim. This says that this is a glow reviving vitamin C pink clay mask. Ramp up your skin's radiance with dot&key's vitamin C plus pink clay mask. Packed with superfruits, kakadu plum and acerola cherry, it infuses your skin with vitamin C, clears up toxins and impurities, revives your skin and gives you a beautiful luminous luster. So I'm going to show you the internal packaging. I have already used the green one. It's a standard packaging that they have for their clay mask and a lot of their other products as well. Look at that gorgeous packaging, guys. Let's take a moment and appreciate what a beautiful packaging dot&key has given here. Not just with this, I've been using a lot of their other skincare, which I am going to be reviewing in one of my videos. Really appreciate the gorgeous packaging. And oh my goodness, I love how most of their face masks smell. Even the green clay mask has a beautiful tamanu oil fragrance in it. And look at this one right here, how beautiful and luscious this looks. And I love pink clay masks. I have used one in the past from another brand. Really liked it. Pink clay is really good to get rid of any kind of toxins. It clears out your pores. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on, show you the second clay mask. Now, dot&key masks have this snippet on top the moment you open the packaging, the cardboard packaging. Now, this is a little bit extra, but in my opinion, it's really nice that you have all the information before you actually dive into the product, and not just in the front, even at the back, you have all the information about the masks. I'm going to read up a little bit very briefly on the pink clay mask. It's not just a glow mask, it also brightens your skin. And this brand in particular is cruelty-free. It's parabens, sulfate, phthalates, alcohol, synthetic bleach, heavy metals, and any other nasty chemical free. So an Indian brand. I really appreciate all the brands from India who come up with products that are actually organic and good to be used on your skin. The next product that I have, which is a face mask as well, is the Pore Decongesting Detoxified Charcoal Mousse Mask. If you've been following me, you would know that I love charcoal masks simply because it really works on my skin, takes care of any kind of blackheads, whiteheads, cleanses your pores really well, and also very gently exfoliates your skin in the sense that it gets rid of any kind of tan and dirt. So the outer packaging is what you have here. Now this has eucalyptus oil. I generally love eucalyptus oil in face masks because it's really calming on the skin. In addition to that, this also has clary sage. And this actually, in their opinion, is an acne and blackhead buster mask. That's what this snippet right here says. All the details are mentioned on the back. You obviously get a spatula to go with all their face masks, which is a really cute small little spatula. And I think that's an additional something you get with the mask, which is nice. And then the outer packaging of the glass bottle looks like this. Pretty much standard, and even if you have more than one mask, you won't get confused because it's a see-through bottle. That's how the charcoal clay mask looks from inside. Nice and lustrous. Absolutely loving the fragrance. I have a habit of smelling everything, whether it's skincare or food, the moment I open it. Love the fragrance, especially I love the blend of charcoal and clay, and if you add eucalyptus oil to it, it smells gorgeous anyway. Now moving on to the next clay mask from their range. The next face mask from dot&key is the Illuminating Glow Detan Clay Polish, and this comes with green tea and lemon. has a beautiful yellow outer packaging. I am also going to show you the inner bottle itself. It's transparent, so you can see how the product looks. This one right here looks a little bit more whipped up, sort of a face mask. That's how the clay mask looks from inside. Nice, lustrous, beautiful, and light yellow color. I also love the fragrance. It's so soft and mild. In fact, all of their face masks have a very subtle fragrance. I don't like anything that's too heavy and loaded with fragrance for skin and hair because that just gives me a headache. All of the masks are very subtle fragrance, like I said. And in this mask in particular, there's not just lemon and green tea. They also have natural clay and sandalwood extracts. I love sandalwood in face masks because it does really calm down your skin, any sort of inflammation. And this one in particular, they say, is very good to detan. The last face mask from Dot&Key is something that I've already spoken about in the past quite a lot. It's the Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. That's the external packaging. I haven't opened this simply because I want to finish up the first bottle that I already have. Love this product, does so much for your skin. I am going to read up the ingredients. This has matcha green tea and tamanu oil. In addition, this also has neem oil. So if you have active acne, or if you have congested skin, or if you have acne prone skin, highly recommend this one, guys. It is so cooling on the skin, especially in summers. I am going to show you the tub that I'm already using. That's how this looks, and it's a luscious green clay mask, a little bit thick in texture, but I personally really like the texture because it sits very well on the skin, and you have to just apply it for 10 minutes and wash off. Love, love, love the fragrance because I love tamanu oil mixed with green tea. It smells gorgeous. And I'm going to show you that I've used so much of this. Since the time I got my hands on it, I use it weekly because of the cooling properties this has. And this is quite a huge tub to go through. Not just that, this is a thick face mask. So this sits on the skin well, but this dries off also pretty quickly. Now I'm going to show you the other goodies that came along with the face mask, and something that really caught my attention are these gorgeous Glow Getter slippers. And now this is very symbolic because I'm running a series that has the same name, that's #GlowGetter. Not just that, a lot of their face masks are also glow masks, and these are very comfortable as well. I did briefly wear them just right now and walked around in the house. The other thing that is also very good to go along with the face mask is this gorgeous headband. Which is polka dotted, pink in color, has a bow on top because you need something to pull your hair back if you like to wear your hair open. And then I have something very useful right here, which is very thoughtful of them, is a brush. Now this is a silicone brush, so this actually is very good if you're using for your face mask. I usually use my fingers also to apply the face mask, but that's a little bit messy, so a brush comes handy all the time. And last but not the least, one of my favorite things that I have all around my house, even in the bathroom, is this stunning candle. Now this is a very beautiful, round, gorgeous candle and smells of vanilla. I love fragrant candles, and this one right here is going to go right next to all the face masks. So guys, that's all from Dot&Key. I will be trying out these masks a lot more and will be reviewing them in detail in my future videos. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thanks so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.